Edna A. Aguilar, in recognition of her continuing excellence and valuable contributions in the academe and in the field of plant science. She has shared her knowledge and expertise as a professor of crop science, farming systems, multiple cropping, and advanced fruit crop physiology at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Prof. Aguilar has served as a thesis advisor and committee member to 43 BS, MS, and PhD students. She is also active in pursuing international collaboration and served as a member of the team that developed the dual PhD for the research program involving UPLB and the University of Reading. She coordinated the summer program on Master of Science in Food Security and Climate Change, attended by students and faculties from 17 countries. Prof. Aguilar is also a committed researcher and project leader, having completed over 30 projects. She is also a consultant to various organizations and has published over 30 scientific papers in local and international journals. Professor Aguilar currently serves as an active member and officer of 7 local and international scientific societies. Her dedication to share her knowledge, both in teaching and doing research, is well recognized by her peers. Maria Rebecca C. Lasa, in recognition of her continuing excellence and significant contributions in the field of crop physiology and agronomy. One of the novel results of her 10-year extensive field studies in rice was on the effect of high night temperature on yield. This was published in the prestigious Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America and won the CJAR Science Award for Outstanding Scientific Achievement. She and her team from the International Rice Research Institute are credited for developing the first in situ environment-controlled field chambers to study the response of rice to high night temperature, which greatly benefited scientists and students from different countries. She is also instrumental in developing the chlorophyll meter-based nitrogen management, which was used as the basis for the development of real-time nutrient management strategies called Crop Manager. Her dedication to science is not limited to conducting research. She also devotes her time to reviewing journal articles and currently serves as an editorial advisory board of various local and international journals. To date, Dr. Lasa has contributed over 100 publications in reputed local and international journals, one of which is considered as one of the most outstanding papers chosen by the Crop Science Journal. Erlene C. Manuhar, in recognition of her exemplary leadership as the Deputy Administrator for Research and Development of the Philippine Coconut Authority. She ignites the transformation of the coconut research and development by focusing on agribusiness strategies. To invigorate and upscale the R&D programs, she organized the 2019 Coconut R&D Summit with the theme Challenges and Opportunities in the Development of Coconut Technologies, which serve as a guide in refocusing research to the needs of the industry. As a great resource mobilizer, she was able to get approval of 5 projects worth $25 million from the OSTP card and $760 million 5-year coconut hybridization special project from 2018 to 2022 aimed to produce hybrid planting materials in 2022. As visionary leader, she conceptualized the on-farm hybridization scheme to produce the high-yielding hybrids for the massive planting-replanting program of coconut. She also served as a team leader of the National Integrated Pest Management Program for coconut and was instrumental in the rapid ground assessment of coconut scale insect, the development of of automated coconut scale insect counting computer program, farmer-based training module for IPM, and the adoption of the farmer field schools in the IPM program. She was awarded the prestigious Outstanding UPLB Alumni conferred in 2017 for her commitment and exemplary leadership skill. Arthur R. Barria. In recognition for his exemplary leadership and involvement to the society, his notable achievements and professional affiliation ensuring the highest standards for good governance. He has been responsible for developing the agricultural upstream value chain of coffee that ensured sustainable source of green coffee supply for Nestle Philippine factories. As a biotechnology advocate, he was instrumental in the commercialization of Monsanto's first biotech corn in the country, benefiting thousands of Filipino farmers today. He co-authored the book Modern Biotechnology and Agriculture, A History of the Commercialization of Biotech Maize in the Philippines, which was given the National Academy of Science and Technology Outstanding Book Award in 2010. During his term as CSSP President, he concurrently served as President of the Philippine Agriculturists Association and sat as one of the continuing Professional Development Council members for Agriculture under the auspice of the Professional Regulatory Commission. He contributed in obtaining the accreditation of CSSP as CPD provider since 2018. As an active Council of Representative of PAA, he initiated the participation of the licensed agriculturists in crafting the Philippine Qualifications Framework implementing rules and regulations for the ASEAN integration in the Philippine Agriculturist Bill. His firm advocacy for inclusive development in the entire agriculture value chain, his multi-sectoral experience, and his passion to serve were recognized by the DA Secretary Dr. William Dar, who invited him as member of his technical advisory group. To Leoncia L. Tandang. In recognition of her exemplary leadership in vegetable research, development, and extension while serving as professor in crop science. She has co-authored lecture and laboratory manuals for breeding and genetics and has mentored more than 50 undergraduate and graduate students. Some are now leading in the academia and industry. She continually receives the highest evaluation rating among her students, which is the most fulfilling achievement as a professor. She is a multi-awarded crop scientist who led the development and release of more than 20 vegetable varieties such as cowpea, goose and pole sitaw, snap beans, and salad tomato. She has served in various capacities in government institutions as chair or member of the technical working groups for the vegetable crops, root and tuber crops, and the seed extension promotion of the Bureau of Plant Industry National Seed Industry Council, as accreditor for vegetable crops of the Vegetable Variety Protection Office, and member and chair of the Technical Working Group for drafting the Philippine National Standards for the Fruit and Vegetable Crops of Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Products Standards. Trained in the Netherlands and Korea, she has established both national and international collaborative projects with funding from both the Philippine government, China, and International Development Research Center, Canada. Her accolades as an outstanding leader, professor, and scientist prove that Dr. Tandang, a woman plant breeder, achieved great heights in her career and is truly an inspiration to other Filipinos. Dr. Tandang served as the fourth female president of the CSSP.